ineligible and eligible. So if you were going to form a basketball team, what would people need to do to be eligible to join your team? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or answer this in your head. Right, to be eligible, people would need to be 8 feet tall because then they can reach the hoop. I don't know. Let's look at the next example. If you wanted to join a club but were told that you were ineligible, what might you say or do and why? Think for a moment, what do you know about the word ineligible and also about joining a club? I don't know about you, but if I wanted to join a club and I was told that I was ineligible, I might question why. Why am I ineligible? Meaning, why am I not good enough or not allowed to join the club? And then I may even care to disagree, perhaps, if I think that it's unfair. Maybe it's something that I still need in order to join the club. Then maybe I might try to accomplish that goal. Let's take a look at another example. What would you say or do if you noticed someone was scrutinizing you? You can use this sentence frame right here. If I notice someone scrutinizing me, I might. I don't know. Me personally, I actually tend to, when I feel like I notice somebody is staring at me, I kind of tend to make this face right here that he is making. I don't know. I usually don't say much, but my eyes tend to get pretty big. But that's just my example. Let's look at the next one. If your teacher asks you to scrutinize a plant that you have never seen before, what might you do to scrutinize the plant? Right, maybe you're going to observe it because we know that that's what really good scientists do. They make observations. Maybe you're going to write down things like its properties, like its color, or the height, or the size, or how many times a day you've watered it, how much sunlight it's getting. All ways that you can look closely at this plant. Let's look at another example. Your class is going on a field trip and your teacher says that you are ineligible to go because you haven't returned your permission slip. What might you do if you were ineligible to go because you had not returned your permission slip? I don't know, if this were me and my class were getting ready to leave, then I might just say, hey, let me use your phone real quick. Or I might bust out my cell phone and send my parent a quick message and say, hey, I need you to sign my permission slip because I can't go. I'm ineligible. Let's look at the last example. To be eligible to go to a camp for performers, you must show that you can sing or dance. What might you do or say to show that you were eligible to go to the camp? Right. You're going to bust out in song and dance. Maybe do the hokey pokey. Do both while you're at it. Because you want to go to this camp, so you need to prove that you're good enough or that you are capable of singing and dancing. That wraps up week 19 for vocab.